Welcome back to Bike Informers, where we bring you the latest two-wheeled beasts from the world of motorcycling. Today, we dive into the iconic supersport that continues to dominate racetracks and streets alike, the 2025 Suzuki GSX-R1000. With fresh updates, sharp styling, and a performance boost, Suzuki proves once again why the Gixxer holds legendary status. Refined design with racing DNA. At first glance, the 2025 GSX-R1000 keeps its aggressive race-bred aesthetic, but with sleeker bodywork and updated aerodynamics. Sharper lines, new LED lighting, and winglet-inspired side panels improve downforce and stability at high speeds. Suzuki offers fresh paint schemes, including a striking MotoGP-inspired blue with carbon fiber accents, giving it that unmistakable track-ready feel right from the showroom. Engine performance, precision and power. Under the fairings lies Suzuki's renowned 999.8 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine, now retuned for sharper throttle response and increased mid-range torque. With a refined variable valve timing (VVT) system and lighter internals, the 2025 GSX-R1000 produces an estimated 207 horsepower, making it one of the fiercest leader bikes on the road. The exhaust system has also been updated for improved flow and a deeper, throatier sound. Advanced electronics package. Suzuki's electronics suite in the 2025 model has taken a leap forward. Riders get a full-color TFT display, customizable ride modes, cornering ABS, launch control, bidirectional quickshifter, and a more refined 10-level traction control system. The inertial measurement unit, IMU, ensures the rider has maximum control in every condition, from tight corners to full throttle straights. Handling and chassis dynamics. The aluminum twin-spar frame remains, but suspension upgrades make a big difference. The 2025 GSX-R1000 features Showa's balance-free front fork, BFF, and a rear balance-free rear cushion, BFRC shock, offering exceptional feedback and stability. Cornering agility has been enhanced thanks to reduced unsprung mass and a revised swing arm geometry. Whether you're carving canyons or cutting lap times, the Gixxer delivers razor-sharp precision. Braking and safety. Suzuki has equipped the new GSX-R1000 with Brembo styler calipers gripping 320mm discs up front, ensuring excellent braking force with minimal fade. Combined with cornering ABS and rear lift mitigation, the system inspires confidence even under the hardest braking zones. Safety and control are perfectly balanced for both road and track conditions. Final thoughts, still the king. With the 2025 refresh, Suzuki has managed to keep the GSX-R1000 competitive in the ultra-demanding leader bike segment. While other manufacturers chase lap times with radical tech and price tags, Suzuki sticks to its formula, delivering raw performance, track heritage, and street usability in one complete package. The Gixxer isn't just fast. It's reliable, thrilling, and still one of the best value supersports.